Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, our topic is all about Fibonacci sequence. So una, maisip nyo, ano nga bang kaibahan nitong sequence na to sa ibang mga uri ng sequences, no? Andyan kasi yung arithmetic sequence, geometric, harmonic, etc. So to give you an idea, by definition, Fibonacci sequence is a set of numbers that starts with 1 or 0 and followed by 1, and then the next number is equal to or can be found by adding the previous two numbers. So I will be writing the first 10 numbers of Fibonacci sequence. So let's say we start with 0 followed by 1, then 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and 55, and so on. Ito yung first 10 numbers sa Fibonacci sequence natin, no? So let's say this is our f sub 0, f sub 0, f sub 1, f sub 2, and so on. So let's say this is our f sub 6, and f sub 10. So by the rule, you can find the next number can be found by adding the previous two numbers. So ang ma-observe natin sa sequence na to, na Fibonacci sequence, so this number 1, f sub 2, is the result of adding previous two numbers, which is 1 and 0. Number 2 in the Fibonacci sequence found by adding 1 plus 1. 3 by adding 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. So that's it. That's the sequence or pattern of Fibonacci sequence. So let's say we are looking for the next number after f sub 10. So translating the rule into formula such that f sub n is equal to f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2. So let's say we're looking for the next number, which is f sub 11. Our n is equal to 11. Replace lang natin yung mga n by 11. So this is our equation will now become f sub 11 is equal to f sub 11 minus 1 plus f sub 11 minus 2. Simplifying our equation, f sub 11 is equal to f sub 11 minus 1 is equal to f sub 10 plus f sub 9. F sub 11 is equal to f sub 10, which is equal to 55, plus f sub 9 is equal to 34. So our f sub 11 is equal to 89. So our f sub 11 now is equal to 89. So let's say we're looking for f sub 12. F sub 12 is equal to, our n is equal to 12. 12 minus 1 plus f sub 12 minus 2. F sub 12 is equal to f sub 11 plus f sub 10. F sub 12 is equal to, f sub 11 is equal to 89 plus f sub 10 is equal to 55. Our f sub 12 is equal to 144. So that's the formula or the rule of getting the next number of the sequence in our Fibonacci sequence. So what if you're looking for not the next number, the higher term na. Let's say we're looking for f sub 20, no? So it takes time for you to add manually the 20th term, no? So sa paghanap ng kahit anong number sa Fibonacci sequence natin, dito papasok yung Binet's formula, which is papakita na lang sa inyo yung derived formula na, no? F sub n is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 raised to n minus 1 minus square root of 5 raised to n all over 2 raised to n times square root of 5. That's the formula, derived formula of Binet's formula. So, ito yung isang way para mahanap natin kahit anong number in our Fibonacci sequence. So, let's say we're looking for f sub 20. Our n is equal to 20. F sub 20 is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 raised to 20 minus quantity of 1 minus square root of 5 raised to 20 over 2 raised to 20 square root of 5. So, para mas madali, we're using our scientific calculator, no? Type nyo lang itong expression na to as is lang para mabilis natin makuha yung ating sagot or ating value for f sub 20. So, using our scientific calculator, type na natin expression na quantity of 1 plus square root of 5 raised to 20 minus quantity of 1 minus square root of 5 raised to 20 all over 2 raised to 20 times square root of 5. So, our f sub 20 is equal to 6,765. That's the value for our f sub 20. So let's say we're looking for f sub 25. Our n now will become 25. I'm sorry. 25. F sub 25 is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 raised to 25 minus 1 minus square root of 5 raised to 25 all over 2 raised to 25 square root of 5. Our f sub 25 is equal to, so kahit di nyo naburahin yung nasa calculator nyo na kanina, no? Sa pag-solve natin ng f sub 20, papalitan nyo na yung mga n ng 25. So our f sub 25 is equal to 75,025. That's the value of f sub 25. So let's say lakihan pa natin, no? Higher end term na. Let's say we're looking for f sub 90. Our n now will now become 90. Papalitan na natin itong mga n ng 90. Replacing n by 90. So, palitan nyo lang yung nasa na scientific calculator nyo ng yung mga n, lahat ng n by 90. So, f sub 90 is equal to 2.88 times 10 raised to 18. So, that's the value of our f sub 90. So, mahaba yung sagot sa ating episode 90, no? In-approximate ko lang siya by 2 decimals. With 2 decimals, which is 2.88 times 10 raised to 18. So, kapag pinapakompleto sa inyo ng prof nyo yung sagot nyo, kumpletuhin nyo, no? Also, pwede rin ganito, no? Kung okay lang sa prof nyo. Pero kung pinapahanap niya, kumpletuhin nyo. So, that's it guys. Yan yung way sa pagharap ng kahit anong. Yan yung way sa pagharap ng any numbers sa Fibonacci sequence. So that's it guys for today's video. See you in my next video, God willing. God bless and keep safe sa lahat. Thank you guys for watching.